I want to answer these particular questions that people have been asking me online. I want to answer it. Yes, this is not my regular content, so that is why I won't even say it is a teaching. It's not a teaching. It's just to answer you this particular question. So if you are watching me right now and you've asked me this particular question before, this video is for you. Okay, my name is Opemi and I want to welcome you to this channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do wait to give me a thumb up. Yes, that is the only thing you can do to encourage me of my next content. Okay, so if you haven't followed my page, go and click on the follow button. You won't miss my next video. So back to business. A lot of people that knows me offline, online knows that this is my niche. This is what I'm doing for a living, telecommunication business. I'm into data reselling business. Yes, and they do ask me the way I'm marketing this business, is this really profitable? Is this something that they can do and earn from it? Yes. My answer is yes. It's a very, very profitable business. Before I proceed, what is data reselling business for those people that doesn't even know what this business is? Data reselling business simply means buying and selling of data, cable subscriptions and others. So is this business really profitable? Yes, because a lot of people use data every day. Do you know how many people consume time? Do you know how many people that consumes data every day? That really tells you that data reselling business is profitable. So I have three reasons, yes, to back up my point, to prove to you that this data business is really profitable. I've been into this business for over 5 years now. But when I actually take it as a business, when I actually start it as a business, the last two years I've been playing with it, you understand. But I would say I'm into this business for a good 3 years now, non-stop. I've been doing it for 2 years, 2 good years before I got married. I've been doing it, but I stopped at a point. Yes, I stopped at a point because of people that are buying on credit, so I have to stop them. But when I got married, I was frustrated. I wanted to start something. So, and there's a thought that comes to my head that this business that you are doing back then in school, why can't you continue doing it? I was like, wow, can I do it? So I started, and so personally, I can prove to you that it's profitable. Okay, so number two. So the number two reasons why I will prove to you that data reselling business is profitable is that you don't have to break the bank before you start data reselling business. As early as 13 to 15 years, you can start data reselling business. Let me give you a scenario. When I was in school then, some students are involved in selling of sandals, shoes, slippers, bedroom slippers, jewelries and others, and those things doesn't cost them lesser than 10 to 15k to go and buy them resell to students. Do you know that for as low as 1000 naira you can start this business? Because everybody can have 1000 naira. You can't tell me that right now that you are watching this my video now you don't have 1000 naira either in your hand or in your bank account to start this business. So involves a lower capital to start data reselling business. That is why it's profitable. For you to buy something, maybe you opens a shop for you to buy something of 1000 naira, you quickly resell it, then buy another 1000 naira, you resell it and buy another 1000 naira. Tell me, which business can you do with 1000 naira in Nigeria that is more profitable like data business? If I tell you that you can make 60 to 70k in this business, it is tested and trusted. So that is my number two reasons to prove that data reselling business is profitable, because it has a lower cost of starting this business. Then number three, yes, I hope you are following me. If you haven't followed my page, go and do that. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, go and do that, because your comments, your suggestions will tell me if I'm going to make another videos on this data reselling business. It's because there are lots more that are attached to this business, because it has an higher margin of resold data. What I mean by that is that don't forget that I gave you an example of your friends that you are selling 6 gig per day for. So let's say those your 6 friends, they are not buying 2 gig from you per day. That is 1 gig is not enough for them per day. And let me tell you the reason why 1 gig is not enough. for them per day. That is where you will know it's profitable. So if 1 gig is not enough for them per day, that means you are selling 2 gig to them per day. That is 200 naira on each person. And those people that you are selling to, they might come back to you that day that their data has exhausted, and this is not your fault. Yes, it opens a door for you to earn more in the business, because you sell 1 gig data for someone, the person opens TikTok, the person opens Facebook at the same time. At the same time, the person is on Instagram. At the same time, the person is on YouTube. At the same time, the person is on WhatsApp. So tell me why 1 gigabyte will be enough for the person. Of course, the person will come back to you and buy another one. And for you that you love your sister or your brother to start this business, if you are not doing it, you can be doing fine in whatever business that you are doing. I'm just doing this video on behalf of those people that are asking me if data reselling business is profitable, and for you that you love your sister or your brother to start this business. And the question you would love to ask me is that, how do I get started? How do I get started? So if you want to get started as a data reseller, you need a platform where you'll be buying from, a reliable platform where you'll be buying from. And I told you I do this business for about 3 years, and I have a brand that has been existing. I have a website where can buy from. I have an app where you can go to and buy from. So I'll be dropping the link to register on the website. That is where you'll be buying your data from. You have to send money to the wallet, then you buy your data from while you keep your profits. On the website, you can buy your MTN for 270, then you can sell 400 depending on your area, just for you to have your own profit. And if you have any other questions to ask me in regards of this business, you can draw it under the comment section. And I'll also be dropping maybe my WhatsApp link or my page link under the comment section in case you have any other questions to ask me. Of course, I'm still coming back to explain more about this business, because I can't wait to see you get started. So thank you very much for watching this video. My name is Okoyemi, and I would love to see you in my next video. Bye.